Picture a small village tucked away in the beautiful hills of West Java, Indonesia. The air is clean, and you can hear the relaxing sounds of gamelan music. This is the center of Sundanese culture, a place where food is more than just something to eat. It's a celebration. Here, among the rice fields and coffee plants, you'll find a dish that shows what Sundanese food is all about: Karedok. Karedok is a bright and colorful salad, full of fresh ingredients from the area. It shows how much the Sundanese people love the land and simple, healthy food. Unlike other salads, Karedok isn't just a side dish. It's a full meal. The first bite is like a party in your mouth. Crunchy raw veggies mix with a smooth and tasty peanut sauce, making a dish that is both refreshing and filling. Karedok is more than a salad. It's a way to experience the real taste of Sunday. What makes Karedok different is that it uses raw vegetables. This makes it super fresh and crunchy. It's like eating straight from the garden. The main ingredients in Karedok are a mix of crispy veggies. Long beans, cut thin, have a strong, earthy flavor. Cool cucumbers make it refreshing. Cabbage adds a satisfying crunch, and bean sprouts have a light, nutty taste. To make it look even better and taste even more interesting, they often add green eggplant. And finally, fragrant basil leaves are sprinkled on top, making it smell amazing with every bite. Each vegetable is important, adding to the special flavor and texture of this Sundanese dish. The raw veggies are great, but the peanut sauce is what makes Karedok so special. This isn't just any peanut sauce, it's a mix of flavors, perfectly balanced to taste amazing. The sauce starts with roasted peanuts, ground into a smooth paste. This makes it creamy and nutty. Then they add some heat with red chilies, giving it a little kick. Kencur, a type of ginger, adds a fresh and earthy flavor. Palm sugar makes it a little sweet, balancing the spice and making the other flavors pop. A little salt brings everything together. Finally, they add tamarind water, which makes it a bit tangy and balances the richness of the peanuts. Karedok tastes great, and it's healthy too. Because the veggies are raw, they keep all their vitamins and minerals, making Karedok super good for you. This traditional salad is a favorite in Sundanese cooking and is on the menu at almost every Sundanese restaurant. It's often eaten with nasi timbel, rice cooked in banana leaves or fried chicken, adding a fresh taste to the richer foods. Whether you eat it on a hot day or as part of a bigger meal, Karedok shows how Sundanese people make food that is both healthy and delicious. Karedok is more than just a salad. It's a trip to the heart of Sundanese food. The fresh, raw vegetables and the flavorful peanut sauce make it taste amazing. If you're ever in West Java, make sure you try it. And if you like to cook, why not try making it at home? It's easier than you think, and it's packed with flavor. Let the bright flavors of Karedok take you to the beautiful landscapes of West Java and discover what Sundanese food is all about. And don't forget to share your cooking adventure with your friends and family.